the one that reported this matter to the American. The people from the East, Kanu and his people, they ran to America to go and report that they are killing all the Christians in Nigeria. You remember? Yeah. During the time of Ojikalu and all these people.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí oríkọ̀ọ́nù ẹ wo ẹ jẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ ṣe rí fídíò sẹ́yìn wò lọ yìí a máa play fún yín níbi tí wọ́n ti tú pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ àṣírí gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ pátápátá ẹ ti mọ̀ wípé táwọn bá ti rí báyà wa kì í sọ ètí a bá sọ gan ayẹpa ti ṣe wádìí kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀ pé ṣó ti tọ́ ní ọ̀rọ̀ ikú tó di pé àmọ́ wá sórí kànnì fún ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa láti máa jẹ ìgbádùn gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ lágbo òṣèré ìwọ́n tó bá ti subscribe bóyá subscribe o lè túbọ̀ máa jẹ ìgbádùn gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ pátápátá lágbo òṣèré bóyá ká sojú abẹ́ǹkó bóyá.
Everywhere before the death of Buhari. Then Igbo and his people, Baba Akintoye again, they went and go and report the same America. So they now recorded everything. They now have a problem in their hand then when they want to solve. Because Donald Trump is fighting to the need to come back. He's not satisfied with the Nigerian soldier. Wọ́n lè defeat the country wọn lẹ mí kàn máa ṣòfò ni. Wọ́n mọ́ra wọn. Ọdún wo ni wọ́n ti mú àwọn àlùmájèrí? Ọdún wo lẹ́mọ̀ tí wọ́n ti kó wọn sínú NDA? Ọdún wo ni ìjà tá ń jà yẹn ọdún wo lẹ ti mọ̀ tó ti plan yẹn? Then ẹni secret wà sí lọ́dọ̀ wọn. Ṣé Amẹ́ríkà ní láti wá kó tó jíjẹ kó tó gbà wá lẹ́nu wàhálà? Wọ́n ní láti wá ní. Amẹ́ríkà tó lè pa jet bomber sórí refinery Dangote tó lè máa fìlè epo láti gbà láì wálẹ̀. Amẹ́ríkà ò kúrò ní Nàìjíríà. Britain ò kúrò ní Nàìjíríà. France ò kúrò ní Nàìjíríà. Germans ò kúrò ní Nàìjíríà. Ìkan tẹ́yìn ronú pé wọ́n fẹ́ sáré wá jíǹsì ṣe bẹ́yìn lẹ gbé iṣẹ́ fún Julius Berger ẹ̀sán part money and part crude àbí dẹ̀sán kí ló wá ka yín lára ń sè that's number one. Then number two ẹ̀yin lẹ kó pijó wá tẹ̀fín exchange then ẹni pijó plant ẹni gbogbo everything yeah so Nigeria náà ni then tẹ́bàdún wá wo kí tó lọ sórí question ẹnu fẹ́ ṣàlàyé kan tí díẹ̀díẹ̀ fún ẹ káwọn Nigerians náà lè rí then tó bá béèrè lọ́wọ́ òkú ìyá mi ń sìn ìyá mi lè má dáhùn dáadáa bàbá mi náà tún lè má dáhùn dáadáa but tó bá béèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó jókòó síbí ìlú wo náà fẹ́ láìka àti gbé ní gbogbo àgbáyé pé tó bá fún wọn visa láwọn lamẹ́ríkà ọmọdún tí Nàìjíríà ti ń parọ́ lamẹ́ríkà ni dẹ́ẹ̀dá ló kọ́ wọn nírọ̀ yìí British American ló kọ́ wọn nírọ̀ torí ní British lọ́hùn time tó fẹ́ kúrò ní Brexit wọ́n fi pẹ́ńsù dìbò àbí dẹ́tọ̀ ọba gẹ̀ẹ́tì kan tó ń fẹ́ máa pa á rẹ̀ dẹ́nà ẹ̀yin náà lẹ́ẹ̀ máa tún lọ pè wọ́n wá pé kọ́ wá ṣe observer táwa bá fẹ́ dìbò what do you see in them to make you invite them? That's one. Then number two, right from independence, the British told the Northerners that the brain that is in the Igbo and the Yoruba, the brain they have in their head, the outside cannot stand them. But the only thing whenever they wanted to go too high, you stay in the military. Anytime they are going haywire, just tell them, fellow Nigerians, I Major General Buka Sukadinka, I Major General Ibrahim Babangida took over from Buhari. Buhari took over from Babangida. Then Abacha took over. They are from the same place. And you are now shouting that Americans are coming. And during the time of Barack Obama. Barack Obama is a Muslim. And he said he will not step Nigeria before he goes. That is what is sold to Nigerians. And Nigerians refused to buy it. Gay and lesbianism. And you people said no. He said, because of that, I will not come. But I will send my deputy to Ghana and market all those things to them. But later, the Ghanaian people refused. Later, they sold it to Ireland. There's a president in Ireland, Republic of Ireland, Dublin. That's a member of gay and lesbianism. So if they can break through. And that's the heartbeat of the Igbos in Nigeria. Ireland and where the Pope live, in Rome. That is the second home of the Catholic. If they bring poison from Rome, Igbo will drink it. If they bring poison from Ireland, people will drink it. In the light of Catholic, Catholicism, until when the Pope died, Arenze wanted to contest, and they carelessly told the Nigerians that the black man cannot be Pope. So everything was a waste. All the money they make in Abia, Anambra, Nzuka, and everywhere, they have to take the money to Rome before anybody can feed in Igbo land. So that's why they went to go and carry the book of their father, where they wrote the voodoo and everything. And after the Catholic, they set up the Okotoko. So that's the second church. That's why Obi went to the shrine to go and pay obeisance, that he will never disappoint Abga. Now Obi has stabbed the back of Abga because Ojukwu is dead. So he's now fighting tooth and nail for Labour Party. So he wanted to go to ADC now. ADC crashed the other day. It was the pastor, Tunde Bakari, that reminded Nigerians that you don't come to my house again. The ADC I know was a plane that crashed and killed a lot of people. So automatically that's not how you people will soon crash. You see that? So then go back to your question. You said they are coming to Nigeria. Anywhere American covered in the embassy, America is living there. Or what do you think they are bringing? They brought everything in through the vehicle they printed, United Nations. When America want to take any ammunition to your country, there will be a little fight. Then they will bring you peace, things to come and feed you.
Peacekeepers.
Yes, but it could be AIDS. It could be what can make you catch AIDS or catch sickness or kill you later, except Rwanda, when the genocide happened. He said, don't come to us and help us. We will fight to the last. There's too much corruption in this land. And they fought tooth and nail. That was a genocide. They never allow the Americans to come in. But today, go to Kigali, go to Rwanda. It's one of the best
country
in Africa. Because they took time to face their trouble. But Nigeria refused to face their own trouble. Now, they are the one that reported this matter to the American. The people from the East, Kanu and his people, they ran to America to go and report that they are killing all the Christians in Nigeria. You remember?
Yeah.
During the time of Ojikalu and all these people and everywhere, before the death of Buhari. Then Igbo and his people, Baba Akito again, they went and go and report. The same American. So they now recorded everything. They now have a problem in their hand then when they want to solve. Because Donald Trump is fighting to the need to come back. He's not satisfied with one rule. So he wants to come back and finish his job. You know what I'm saying? So you reported the matter to them. If they now tell you that his time is up, you wanted to come and treat your asses for you, they can come. And nobody can stop them. You know the border during the time of Buhari has been so porous in the north.
Yeah.
So they said all the Fulani in Futajalo and everywhere to come to Nigeria. They wanted to come and finish the course of Madam Fodio. Have you forgotten all this?
I remember.
Now you are now calling Bola Akiyemi. You are now calling Prophet Marcus to come and talk. Go through the memory lane now. I think you invited them. Me and my wife have a small quarrel. They are now called the mother to come. To come and do what? To come and do what? My wife invited his own mother. And me too invited my own mother. Is there a war? Where are they going to fight the war? Is it in the parlor? Or in our kitchen when they come? Are they coming with machete? The woman know the type of woman she raised. And my mother too know the type of son he raised. Then one of them will lie now. Then the mother of the woman will say, ọmọ mi ò rude, ọmọ mi máa ń tẹríba fún gbogbo èèyàn. Then ọkọ kẹta ló ti fẹ́ boyfriend mẹ́jọ ló ti ní kó tó wá fẹ́ Déwálé kó tó wá fẹ́ Ayọ̀. Boyfriend mẹ́jọ ọmọ ẹdẹ humble kò ń bá yàn ọjà kò kí ń jà kò kí ń yọ̀yàn lẹ́nu ṣé kò tí ì ní yọ̀ lẹ́nu kó tó dé wọn náà mú fún ibi tó ti ṣàgbèrè. Nígbà tó wá pé meeting lálẹ́ tó fẹ́ sẹ́ẹ̀tù ẹ̀ wọ́n ti pa àwọn aráàta wọn ọkọ lòun ní evidence. I have enough evidence. ìyàwó ẹni mú wá mú evidence náà wá kárí mú evidence náà wá kárí ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí pariwo máa yẹn wá náà ké a máa plug ẹ̀ mọ́ television so they plug ẹ̀ mọ́ television ibi tí ọkọ ìyàwó ẹ̀ ti ń sọ̀kì àlè tí àlè ti ń bá sùn lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì ọkọ nígbà tó kọ̀ sí nílé kámẹ́rà gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ jáde ìyá ìyàwó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí wò ó ní Jọkẹ́ ìtú tó ti parí ẹ màmá ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ wo gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n wo bó di 30 minutes ó ní ẹ̀pá ẹ̀ wò tán dẹ́n kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sóbìnrin lọ́jọ́ yẹn ọjọ́ yẹn nìyá ẹ̀ máa mú lọ wọ́n ti dé the last bus stop so kì í ṣe gbogbo kámẹ́rà ni wọ́n so mọ́lẹ̀ káàkiri máa wà pẹ̀lú bọ́ọ̀bù wọ́n ṣe everything ìmí wà ní bọ́ọ̀tì ìmí ṣe so mọ́ bench sheet ìmí ṣe fi mọ́lẹ̀ kúnlé so ibi tí ayé dé nìyẹn so ń sìn nǹkan táwọn Amẹ́ríkà fẹ́ wá ṣe nǹkan mẹ́ta ni
nǹkan mẹ́ta
bẹ́ẹ̀ sá wọ́n ti mọ gbogbo ibi tí àwọn terrorists yẹn ń gbé then wọ́n mọ̀ pé àwọn tó wà ní gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì tẹ́lẹ̀ ló finance wọn then gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wọn ti lọ àwọn group Biden àti Obama ló wà ní charge gbogbo kiri wọn ṣèbó ti lọ sí Russia ìjà tó ń jà ní Ukraine kò lè dá sí mọ́ òun rò gbogbo Donald Trump rò pé marie contract gbà mẹ́ láti kọ́ gbogbo ilé wọ̀nyẹn bó ti bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣìbó náà ṣèbó rántí Syria all the monuments ti Shakespeare fi síbẹ̀ everything ṣe báwọn Amẹ́ríkà yìí ló lọ́ọ́ bẹ̀ àti Israel tó lọ́ọ́ bẹ̀rù so peace ti wájú then kò tí ì parí síbẹ̀ àwọn Ìgbò yìí àwọn Àtíkù náà ló padà lọ sí Chicago pé wọ́n ní ìdí certificate àti Tinubu ẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ certificate the chief judge of the federation then wọ́n ò béèrè wọn then ẹni secret wà sí ọ̀dọ̀ wọn ṣé Amẹ́ríkà ní láti wá kó tó jíjẹ kó tó gbà wá lẹ́nu wàhálà wọn ní láti wá náà Amẹ́ríkà tó lè park jet bomber sórí refinery Dangote tó dẹ̀ máa fìlè kó láti gbà láì wálé ẹ̀rì pé ìgbàdo wá park so wọ́n ní àlè ìyá ẹ̀ is a police officer bàbá Gardner LA primary school lóde ayé Gardner ọlọ́jọ́ wọ uniform
láwòrì
so gbọ́dọ̀ dẹ̀ sọ pé wọ́n wọ uniform wọ́n ní ẹni tàlẹ̀ yẹn bá wá báyàwó kó máa bá fà á òun máa fi yé pé we are both uniform men ìkan yẹ wọ uniform federal ìkan wọ uniform ti school ṣé wọ́n bára mu.
ó lágbára.
ṣùgbọ́n tó wá di lálẹ́ ọlọ́pàá yẹn wá pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn máa yẹn wá lọ yọ ọ̀bẹ jáde ní kitchen tó wọn gún ọlọ́pàá yẹn lẹ́nu so wọ́n ti arrest wọn kọ́wọ́ ẹ̀sẹ̀ yìí wọ́n ní we found some ammunition on him we found weapon on
him.
ṣùgbọ́n ṣe gbé lọ sí pàǹtí nìyẹn ṣùgbọ́n tí ó máa fi padà after 2 years ìyàwó ẹ̀ ti bímọ kan fún ọjọ́ ọlọ́pàá ṣe bá wà yìí lánàá Amẹ́ríkà lọ report ṣe bá wà yìí láńtà ṣe ara wa ṣe bá ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ọjọ́ mẹ́ta tí wọ́n fún Wọlé Ṣóyínká ní visa wọ́n sì máa fún ní kọjọ́ oṣù tó parí wọ́n máa fún wọ́n kàn fẹ́ ká ní news yẹn pé ẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń pè ní break news ká kàn fi gbá àwọn tó kàwé dẹ́ kàn fi gbá wọn lójú jẹ́ wọ́n di kan yín náà sì máa ṣe o you get the point so question to me sir àwa la sọ fún wọn pé wọ́n pa Kristẹni wọ́n yan delegate lọ láti ilẹ̀ Ìgbò wọ́n yan delegate lọ láti ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àwọn Fúlàní nìkan ni ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọn ò tí ì yé wọn tó ń gba Fúlàní láàyè dẹ̀jẹ̀ bá rí wọn tó máa tò lórí ọ̀kadà wọ́n máa tò lọ rẹpẹtẹ wọ́n lo hilos wọ́n gbẹ pẹpẹtẹ dẹ̀ ń bèrè níbo náà ti rówó tó ń ra hilos wọ̀nyí France ó finance wọn then America àwọn regime tó lọ lamẹ́ríkà àwọn Biden and the rest of them so Obama Donald Trump ṣe fẹ́ wá jẹ ẹtì ẹ̀ so tó bá wá wá ń sìn a ní deal díẹ̀ tí a máa bá ẹnu òkòfò òlejò nàmú so bí ó ti ṣe rí ni ẹ bá pariwo wọn bọ̀ wọn wá
bàbá sọmọ
then lẹ́yìn yẹn again tẹ bá wá wò àwọn Nigerian soldier wọn ò lè defeat kan tó wà lẹ mí kàn máa ṣòfò ní wọn mọra wọn ọdún wo ni wọn ti mú àwọn àlùmájèrí ọdún wo lẹmọ tí wọn ti kó wọn sínú NDA ọdún wo ni ìjà tá ń jà yẹn ọdún wo lẹ ti mọ tí wọn ti plan yẹn wọ́n lẹ́yìn wọ́n ní ọmọ kan fọ́jú láti inú oyún ẹ wá ń sáré lọ sí hospital fún emergency eléwé ọmọ ló gbẹ̀bí ẹ̀ àwa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí gbé lọ sí lùtà ń sáré lo ambulance dókítà wa bèrè lọ́wọ́ wa pé ọmọ Àwórì ìtẹ́gbé wa tó lanu kalẹ̀ yìí ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ bèrè pé ìgbà wo lọ́mọ yìí fọ́ lójú ẹ̀ ó ní bá ṣe bí nìyẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe bí kẹ̀ ó ní àwògò wo ló fọ́jú ìyá ẹ̀ lóhùn mọ̀ dẹ́ báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ ó ní pàtàkì tó yìí ni àròpé bóyá ọmọ alájú bóyá ó fẹ́ ṣe ọmọ kí ló dé fi tètè gbé wá tẹ́lẹ̀ wọn ló fẹ́ dàbí ọmọ oko tàbí ní time ní 1947 1973 tó wọn kì í lajú yẹn ni ṣùgbọ́n tó dẹ̀ wá pọ́dún mẹ́ta ẹ̀ sáré pé ojú yìí ò ṣáàlà ó ń kọlu kí ó ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ láti gbé wá wọ́n wá sọ fún wọn pé kì í ṣe emergency mọ́ a máa wá ibi tí Jésù wà àbáwọn abíára àbáwọn Oyèdèpò àbí àwọn ibi yomi àwọn ló lè ṣe miracle yìí so wọ́n á jẹ́ tó wá nírú ẹ̀ ti ṣẹlẹ̀ rí in the book of John 9 from verse 6 7 8 9 10 ó ní níbo ló ti rí ọmọ tó fọ́jú tó mú kún tó bàjẹ́ yìí ó ní ká lè yin Ọlọ́run lógo lórí ẹ̀ ni o so bí o ti ṣe rí nìyẹn so my brother Bọ́lájí Akínyẹmí bá sọ̀rọ̀ Sowore bá sọ̀rọ̀ Olùṣọ́ Ayọ̀délé Akínbùdúgbò bá sọ̀rọ̀ ìbá kó àwọn Àwórì 300 mọ́ra wá bí Àwótìrì ṣe rí nǹkan tẹ́ tó ń léyìn nǹkan méjì ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀ Bible sọ fún wa Bible suggests that if something happen in any nation is incompetent and weak rule can bring a subsequent sting.
Yeah.
That's one. Then ìkejì ó tún sọ fún wa pé irú ẹ̀ lè wáyé if the leader lack wisdom and incompetence tí ó wà competent.
Okay.
Then accountability tí ó bá open. Then go back to the book of 2 Samuel 11 and 12. Only ní ọdọọdún. This is how the king normally go to invade territory that's not properly kept. Yeah. That very hour, David failed to go. Sorry, he was not taking wine at the rooftop, at the penthouse. That's where he saw the wife of Uriah. So then he now said, this fine, pretty young lady, bring it for lunch or for dinner. And that was what caused the downfall of David. When David was to be in the war front, he was home. So that's the problem. This type of man, that is one thing. Then when you look at all the toll gates, can we call Obasanjo a Christian or a believer or a spoiler? He removed all the toll gates because of Dangote. Is that no genocide, or I tried to create genocide? Because the soldiers have to be soldier and police normally stay in our toll gate before, but you now make it loose. You now Obasanjo make it what? Loose, because he wanted to favor Dangote. And during the time of the COVID, Dangote does not even import, he failed to import cement. Down to this area again, they were bringing people from Niger, Kotajalo, everywhere to fill our forests. Why the Christians are sleeping at home? The Fulani are all in our forests. And that was led to the killing of the brother of Igbo, when Igbo cannot tolerate it. This man has a large plot of land, mechanized farming. Likewise in Edo, likewise in Benin. As for that, they stabilized the man of Igbo town. That's what they do in Benin. Because they knew two things. That if the Southerners are feeding themselves, the Hausas will be useless. The Fulani will be useless. Then they have been giving them money for fertilizer. Do you need fertilizer in Odeaye? No. Do you need fertilizer in Mbidi? No. Do you need fertilizer in Imo State? No. We are just working for these people. And even the cows they are bringing, about 100,000 cows are consuming Lagos and its environment in a day, 10,000 plus. And these people bringing those cows, they are not eating those cows. They are not eating those cows. And these are people that is challenging us. Their first boyfriend or girlfriend is ram, is cattle. They make love to them in the farm. Then they have all the power has been given to them. Then in their regime again, you gave them, instead of using a rod, you gave them AK-47. And you said America must not come. How many Yoruba? Then legalize ammonia if you don't want it. Americans to come. They pass a law, legalize ammunition, so that we can do things ourselves. Then give me the right to go to America and buy whatever I want. Ammunition is the cheapest thing in America, in New York, in Texas, and everything. When you are going to buy this phone is expensive. Ammunition is not expensive. You know what I'm saying? But go to Israel. Every university, every secondary school student, they know about ammunition. But it's only in Nigeria. And you are home. Somebody will come and carry your husband. He said it's Fulani. Then you are home. Then you arrested them. He said you must not kill them. Then you said the Christians are crying. How many Christians left in the country? And when you look at Adeboye the other day, when they want to come in to redeem, he said to them, Adeboye said to them, then they even tamper with Deeper Life. Deeper Life ran away. So what about the people that has no visa to run away? How do we do? Then they'll be giving us early grave all the time. Then when you look at that's what he said. Then when you look at all our dear daughter, look at Deborah. You know Deborah? Deborah Samuel Yakubu was killed. Nothing happened. Then when you look at Tolu Lokwe Arotile, you reverse to kill this because they said it's killing too much, is bombing the Fulani too much. Who are these people? They are Christians. Then go to Benue. They were lining out. There was a day they lined out 120 caskets.
Yeah.
Bring it out and let them see.
They are all Christians.
They are all Christians. Just of recent, before the very dark man and all start making noise, we still have it a little bit less. Then what about the Boko Haram, the Chibok girls? Later, we now find them in the house of Emir, who are Fulani, all these ladies, they now force them to be housewives. What happened to Dikibo? During the time of Yadua, they said they want to take them out of Nigeria for skill. They dropped them in Italy, in Turkey, everywhere. And at the end of the day, Dikibo was a Muslim.
He's not even warning, sir.
No, don't worry, don't break me. I will explain everything to you.
Yeah.
So when you look at all those things, who is fooling who? Who is calling it? Who is fooling who? Who is fooling who? Then when you look at what Maina did, when he took all the whole money for pensioner money, they say it's a Fulani. Then when you look at the other man again, what happened to this man? The EFCC man before, this policeman, Ibrahim Magu. You see what he did? Then because it's a Fulani. Then even Buhari came out one day and said, I'm not comfortable with any tribe. I'm only, look at check on the internet. Yeah. I'm only comfortable with what? The people who come for a Fulani, his tribe. Then he did train line from here to what?
Niger.
To Niger. And we are not comfortable. When they are very Christian, then Buhari will be taking his Fulani. Now in the north, out of those states in the north, about 15 of them, 15 governors are Fulanis. Who are the people governing Nigeria before? Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. Now we are now 4. Let American come and let us know how we became 4. How we became 4.
Let American
come. Let us know how we became 4 tribes in Nigeria. If you say the truth, you are going to die. And if you refuse to say the truth, you will die. Time is wicked. Time is good. Time can honor people. You know, in Nigeria, one thing is very bad in this country. When Tinubu give you appointment, we are 7 here. Tinubu gave 3 appointments. They believe. You know what will come out from those people's mouths? They said they would be telling us is what? Is opportunity. Calling the mediocres to come and serve. They call it what? Opportunity. But those people who is not favored, they call it corruption. They will be shouting everywhere, this corruption, this nepotism, this tribalism, this all that. When Goodluck Jonathan was there, they put jaw. Igbo put jaw on the cheek of everybody. You cannot go to the finance, Ministry of Finance. They are all Igbos. You can't speak Igbo, you can't work there. Yeah. They pack the money and pack the money and pack the money. Obi have Fidelity Bank. Then the then governor of Anambra State finished CBN. Soludo finished. Even up to 8 years he left the place. There is no contract you can give out. He has finished everything. Soludo is a full-time gangster and armed robber. There is no difference between Soludo. You see, they believe that's opportunity. Who gave him the opportunity? Obasanjo. Who gave Obi the opportunity? He said Christian Muslim ticket. That's why people know Obi. Obi is just a leveler. Obi is just like a janitor. But now it's because of, it's Christian versus Christian. Then they were now changing their votes. Removing Igbo from everywhere in the world. They bought INEC. They bought INEC. The Igbo people bought INEC because they want to save their property in Lagos. They changed everything. 4 days to election. Loziro boss were just coming to Lagos. Coming to Lagos. They wanted to come and vote in Lagos to disgrace Tinubu. Do we bring America to do this?
But sir, America said...
No, I've not finished. I will come to what America said. You told America what America said. You. Tí-pọ̀ ọ̀bẹ mi bá jóná nulẹ̀ yẹn. Tí mi ò bá sọ fún ẹ. O kò sí màmí wọ̀ta tó fẹ́ fi mọ̀ náà. Kòkòkò wá lálẹ́ ẹgbẹ̀lẹ́ sà ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀gúsí tó jó lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Ẹnìkan ló lọ sọ fún mi.
But there's nothing hidden, sir.
So then when you look at all this, but ẹni tó ṣu, ó gbàgbé o. Ẹni tó fẹ́ kó ní problem. Àwa Christian Nigeria àgbádùn. Àrà àlàáfíà rí. You know there's a bank in Nigeria, Islamic Bank, that gave loans to Muslims and sponsored their students over 30 years. But we cannot go there and take anything. How did you think, how do they force Muslim to Imo State? How do they force a Muslim to Bayelsa? How do they force Muslim to Anambra during the time of Babangida? They've been selling their commodity for long. You are not Muslim, you cannot be promoted. But you are very young. We are just looking. But one day, many days for the thief, one day for the owner. The time is very close. It happened in Uganda. Read in Etebe. You read it. How Netanyahu came to remove those people out of the place. And they spoiled Uganda today. Then now what makes America want to act fast? One, all the whole forests here. You remember the people taking the mineral resources of Nigeria out today now are the Chinese. So it's paining America. So America wanted to come. This is our territory before. What are you doing here? We want to pursue you away. They've sent their surveillance down. They survey everything. He couldn't fire me, Buhari, all what they wanted to do before. And all those, you know, there's nothing in Sabisa. It's mineral resources.
Yeah.
Nothing special in Sabisa.
Philadelphia.
Either Philadelphia or Philadelphia is there, but very expensive.
Very, very.
Then look at the one of San Farah recent. He said the gold belongs to them. Who are the people there? They are the Chinese people. Nigerian police were servicing the Chinese people. Even there was a time on the internet when a Chinese officer was thrown out. He brought up bills of naira, giving Nigerian soldiers police in uniform. Is it the American?
Too funny.
So America is coming to do its own. This is level playgrounds. They will come and go. Because you people don't have brain. And they will teach you how to have brain. And you have to have the brain by force. There's nothing Tinubu can do. But you went there to report Tinubu. You report Tinubu now that he has no certificate. It's the Igbo people who are shouting for so long with their propaganda. America is coming tomorrow to take Tinubu. Tinubu is going back to America to go and face court. He's going there, even the certificate. But they asked during the time of Buhari, where is Buhari's certificate? They say he have a promotion certificate, not book certificate. Obi did not have school cert. Who want to be president? You only go to seminar and come back. He's a drug peddler. They were the person in Nigeria. Bolaji Akinyemi. They hang on the bicycle of federal government till now. Tell me where is the factory of Bola Akinyemi? All the ambassadors that we sent out of Nigeria, they never come back with anything. They were looking for how to buy a house there and take their children there. And look at what killed her. That Igbo good lady who was in Afda, Akweli. He cannot stomach the lie. When the Kabal hijacked that government, and they knew Yar'Adua is going to die, they were busy packing money. The GDP of Nigeria cannot go up. Babangida stock money at home. Obasanjo stock money at home. Then Abu Salam stock money at home. Yar'Adua stock money at home. The money is there. Even the emir of Sokoto is there. So the foreign people gave them the link. They gave them the rights. They gave them everything to do in Nigeria. If you go to, there was a day in Ibadan. There was an explosion inside Ibadan. They said they were doing mining inside Ibadan. There was an explosion. All the findings, do you have the result till today?
No.
Because the governor knows about it. And then why is it every month now? This boy that left university in Ogun State, is it the only high? Is he singing more than Sonny Ade? Davido? No. They have agents in the forest there taking those goods. He has a lot of property in China. That's why they wanted to be governor, and they've got what they want. They are leaving any moment from now. So my brother, who is fooling who? Like, who don't make noise? And don't ever buy jati di ekun emu. Olo ma ba fa wahala tí mo fẹ́ kú. America ti di ekun wa mu. E mo la lọ. Ó dẹ̀ ń ṣe
Baba.
Ṣé o fẹ́ jáde lọ jà ni? Wọ́n lẹ́nu kan bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n mi ò lọ́rọ̀ tí fẹ́ tó báyìí sọ wàhálà ti pọ̀ jù.
Yes, sir. I saw Nigerian people, they were building up explosives and they were testing it in a long field in those days.
Explosive what?
More explosives, you know. I saw bombs.
Ẹ fẹ́ gbàgàlà ni.
They were- I saw.
Abo kan fẹ́ fi Nàìjíríà ṣe ẹ̀yẹ́ máa yìí.
Who are these?
Explode
These are
what?
Nigerian military that they have built. What's this rocket? You understand that?
To do
So
what?
when they shot the rocket, oh my God, the whole place was escalating. Oh yeah,
Ìwọ ló máa dáhùn question bó ṣe yà ẹ́ lẹ́nu ni kò máa yà ẹ́ lẹ́nu. Jẹ́rìí.
So what the only contribution I have is that for America coming to Nigeria now, coming against the enemy of Christians, sir, should we just believe that's an headline, or America has an unexposed mission?
When you are not a fool, you carry your fighter jet, you carry your soldier, you carry everything. Won't you take something home to pay the price?
Wow.
Báwo lè ṣe ń ṣe bó law school? Ṣé University of Lagos ó fún wa ní admission lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́? Ṣé University of Lagos ó fún wa ní admission lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́? Jẹ́ kí wọ́n wá, jẹ́ káwọn tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀. France wà níbí tẹ́lẹ̀, China ti wà on grant. The next area to be invaded now is Ondo State. They want to invade Ondo and Osun. And they want to go to Delta. What are they looking for? Because Fayemi has given them the dossier where all those minerals are. And they know for sure. Awolowo himself kept some for the Yoruba people. Awolowo knew where some are, but he never released it. Yoruba is rich before. We are very rich. Yoruba is, even the house we are using in London was bought by the Yoruba people. They're the first television station. We have a television station ahead of France. We have a lot of things. It's the mineral resources. But now everybody is coming. There are some places in the north where helicopter will come in the night. There's a place in Osun, helicopter will come in the night. There's some place in Adamawa, helicopter will come in the night. Then there was a place where they brought armored helicopter, big one. So the people talking there are Briton and American. Briton and American, they were what? Sharing money for the people in a feed. So that is it. So who is the chief of army staff that has trained abroad for over 30 years? Is it Burutai? You know what Burutai did to the military? Do you know what he did to the new chief of army staff that came? They dropped him by plane. Then you see the first Christian that ruled Kaduna State was assassinated. Then what do they call genocide? What have you seen? We buy the paper. We buy the paper and take it to the United Nations. America did not come here to come and pick this by force. We gave it to them. Our la pile is that color for now. When you buy what a pastor, and to my you will show you. Eh? Surely for you walk away. School that jump from the tree and this and that. So sir, umbo. And whatever they you my jack, they can come to the submarine. Even by James or the submarine want to live on there. On your rescue America 3 years ago. Someone by Nigeria. When it's about life and death. Then you change a particular come to America. Man, ráyè farayin. One of the landlord number 4. And then at the mass of Patimani they will you. After 3 months, what do I get to number 3? Never take cottage. See that one Gani Adams. Kill like we want to come for. Or one kid you malu to turn in the chase. What did that with that? So Joe, follow bear. They take a Mac Badura. A Mary, one can visit news in Tomba Mawa on it, Paribu. They will come in. So go area. Then don't matter what, Oma affect senators. To ring about the many come. Want to know for information. Senators, so. Never to buy a tomato to many come. One is also there, combine. So, House of Assembly with scatter. Senate will scatter. Then House of Assembly in all states, in another 12 states, will not be the same. Will never be the same. Because trouble is going to happen. And they cannot help us and go scot-free. When Obama helped them kill King Gaddafi, you know, the life of Gaddafi, the life of the people in Libya, they're not the same. Do you remember in Morocco how to cross to Italy? It is the white people that will come and recruit all those boys. They said they will go in the night. But they knew the lifespan of that boat. Then when they get to the middle, now China has just developed a trainer that you can use to walk on the sea now, just like Jesus Christ. And they're going to sell it to the African people because we are too vulnerable. Then these states, if the American comes, in Kano State, in Sokoto State, Sokoto State, Katsina, Bauchi, then Borno, Jigawa, Kebbi, Yobe, Kaduna, Niger, Gombe, they are going to see hell. One level. Then the last one, Kwara. What happened in Kwara? Is it not genocide? No, mo better take one about Tisha. And the white joke where one debate be Arise Television. One let me hear you, and then debate here. Our president today, did it arrow Tinubu the Kwara. Tinubu lost the Kwara. Tinubu lost the Benue. Bí ó bá jẹ́ very dark man kò ní lọ. Ṣé àwọn rúlà àwọn iṣẹ́ ẹ̀mí èèyàn jọ wọ́n lójú ṣá? Ṣé ẹ̀mí èèyàn jọ wọ́n lójú? Mo ti ṣàlàyé fún yín náà. Street tájọ ń gbé. Only landlord number 1 sọnù. Ilé ìgbẹ́ ká ṣe meeting ká jáde síta. Ó jẹ́ lóru láyé ọjọ́ ìgbà tá a ṣe gbábólé. Tọ́dẹ̀ bá lọ sóko tí ò tètè padà. Láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì àti wọ́gbó. Gbàmí ó lè lóhùn pẹ̀ràn òun lè rí gbé. Àwọn help ẹ̀ padà wálé. Because ẹ̀mí ènìyàn jọ yàn lójú. Láti time Babangida. Genocide ti wa. Ṣé Babangida ló gbé odidi plane tó ti wọnú Èjìgbò? Ṣé bí Ìgbò àti Yorùbá ló wà mẹ́? The greater tomorrow of Nigeria cannot remember now. Kò kàn Bọ́lájí Akínyẹmí dáìmì yẹn, kò kàn Sowore, kò kàn Olùṣọ́ Ayọ̀, kò dẹ̀ kàn Kazeem tó wá láti Ọ̀yọ́, kò dẹ̀ kàn àwọn blogger wọ́n ké tí wọ́n làwùlàwù kiri, kó ṣáà ti wọlé. So, question to bèrè sá, bí o ti ṣe rí nìyẹn. China tó ti fẹ́ kó mineral resources, Africa tán. Kì í ṣe ọ̀dọ́ wa nìkan ní America ṣe ń bọ̀ o. The next year, we will penetrate a lot of African countries. Yeah, one of them pẹ̀lú wa ni. Wọ́n sábà lè ṣe ní Nigeria. So, àti wọ, then ibi náà máa gbà lọ sí Burkina Faso. Wọ́n ṣe máa tọ́jú ọbọ̀ yẹn o.
Captain Tare?
O tẹ̀lé fi general sí. Wọ́n máa gbẹ̀yìn ṣe ń kà.
ká yọ wáyà yìí it's not good production at all dára instead ẹ lo ilé ṣèbí fún kámẹ́rà yìí àbí live.
Okay.
Madam, I'll call you back. I'm busy, please. Thank you, Father Baba, for these brilliant discussions. Still, we want to see how àwọn ìbéèrè wa kan wà níbí tí a fẹ́ béèrè tí ó jẹ́ pé ó gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ tí ní gbèsè bí a ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ torí àwọn ènìyàn wa ti ń kí wa wọ́n sì ti ń dáhùn sí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀nyí a fi àkókò yìí dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín Akin Stainless Abímbọ́lá Ọ̀gbárá Akin fún àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí ẹ̀ ń sọ ń bẹ̀ Mohammed Ajara ẹ sọ pé òótọ́ ni ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá ń sọ Suraj Giwa ẹni ògo ní fọ́lọ́run àdúpẹ́ ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ fún bẹ ṣe ń bá wa dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lọ Suraj Giwa in Senegal mo kí yín o ẹ kú ṣeun well done is well with you thank you for coming and so many other people that have Sigma Gorilla thank you for coming towards us at this period to listen to our father the Nostradamus of our time Baba.
Ẹ ṣeun gan bàbá nígbà tí ẹ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ní bí ọ̀sẹ̀ díẹ̀ sẹ́yìn nígbà tí àfiṣẹ́ yẹn ta fi jáde sá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn wọ́n fi àtòjíṣẹ́ sí wa ní pé kí ni ìbáṣepọ̀ yín pẹ̀lú ààrẹ tó wà lórí àlééfà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tó jẹ́ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ní pé látìgbà tí a ti máa ń fi fídíò yín síta tí ẹ ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ní ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ bá condemn Tinubu rí ní pé ṣé kò ń ṣe pé bàbá ti gbowó lọ́wọ́ Tinubu tó yẹ pé every time nǹkan tó dáa nípa Tinubu lè máa sọ ní pé ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ bá sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó wọ́n ní pé ká bèrè lọ́wọ́ ní pé kí ni ìbáṣepọ̀ yín gbogbo ṣé torí pé Tinubu jẹ́ Yorùbá ni ní pé àti ó ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa ó ṣe nǹkan tó dáa ẹ̀ ń ṣe kí ni ẹ̀ ń fọwọ́ tì láti máa lọ.
the question tí wọ́n béèrè yìí ó jọ question àwọn tó ń ṣe sawmill.
Don't say something.
Don't say sawmill.
Okay.
Don't mú two by two sita road. Ṣé pé pákó náà ni gbogbo ẹ̀? Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Tó yàtọ̀ sí o. Mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Tinubu kí lẹ tún fẹ́ sọ Tinubu tẹ̀ ti sọ. Ẹ ló tọ̀ ọ́ lé, ẹ ló ṣubú. Ẹ ti sọ wọn tẹ fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ ti sọ fún un. Ó dẹ̀ pàpà débi tó ń lọ. Mi ò ní ipò tí n fẹ́ gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ mi ò fẹ́ ṣe mínísítà ìwà mi ò ṣe mínísítà mi ò gbádùn. Ṣebí mo sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn pé àwọn tó rí jẹ tó rí ganu sí wọ́n pè ní privilege opportunity tàbí kò yẹ then àwọn tí nǹkan kan ò tẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ wọ́n ní wọ́n á pariwo mo ti kọ́ síbi yìí ariwo tó máa pa ni pé corruption is high then àwọn tí wọ́n fi nǹkan tó lẹ́nu wò wọ́n pè ní opportunity. Wọ́n kọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ wọn kọ́ everybody wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí wá at least má dùn èké ó kọ́ àwọn ipò ẹgbẹ́ mọ́ra then nígbà tí wọ́n fi the other woman ọkọ̀jọ́ wẹ̀ẹ́là tó ń fi síbẹ̀ Ìgbò ló lọ́ mú wá Ọbásanjọ́ ìsàn Ìgbò máa ń lọ bẹ̀ wá lẹ́gbàá tó Ọbásanjọ́ máa lọ mú bàbá Charlie Boy wọ́n jọ dàgbà ní kékeré ni àwọn Ọbásanjọ́ from Anambra State but nínú wọn náà ó tún tọ́ sí Cameroon náà Ọbásanjọ́ tún tọ́ sí Cameroon. So when you look at all these things, they call it opportunity. Opportunity not fún ọjì kálí nítorí pé Ọbásanjọ́ ń bí friend about ìyá ẹ̀. Ó lọ opportunity láti bẹ̀. Tí ìyá bá ṣe tiẹ̀ lóru, ọmọ adẹ̀ ó di governor, ó di gbogbo everything. So question tó wá béèrè yìí, o ti dáhùn ẹ̀ fún ara ẹ̀. Láti ọjọ́ tí a ti dáyé, Yorùbá kò tí president Nigeria. Then nígbà tó máa wá gbogbo ẹ̀ lórí tí mo kọ́ lẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ lárí kàánú ìwé then pé Tinubu Buhari ti bà APC jẹ́ o 2018 but power of incumbency máa wọlé padà then APC máa rule for 16 solid years no stop Buhari ti parí 8 then Yorùbá náà máa parí 8 títí ẹ tó bá dẹ̀ ń bí ẹ nínú ṣèbí Ṣàgámù ló ti wá pé máa tó wà ní Yìtro Ògúnlèsì ní kó wá contest tó bára ẹ̀ bá ká. This is a very simple thing. Then ẹ̀yin youth náà lè máa jòkó síbì kan ẹ̀ dẹ̀ mú dáńdá wì ju nonsense lọ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lè bá òpónà jà ní l'Àbújá ẹ̀yin youth wọ̀nyí ṣé ẹ rí nǹkan ṣe ṣá ṣebí youth ní Tambuwa ṣebí youth ló wà lára television Àbàtì àtàwọn ọmọ yẹn ṣe wọ́n ṣe youth rí wọ́n lọ wọ́n dé wọ́n ti ganu sí tán wọ́n dẹ̀ núlẹ̀ ṣé gbogbo ayé màá wá sùn kakọ síbi kan bí ti yín ni èmi ò rí fọ́ọ̀tì Tinubu o fọ́ọ̀tì tí wọ́n bá rí o lè fúnra ẹ̀ interview ara ẹ̀ kò lè fún ara ẹ̀ kò máa sọ wọ́n ní nǹkan tó lé Àṣàbí kúrò bí nìyẹn wọ́n lóbìnrin wẹ́rẹ́ yìí tó ní wọ́n lọ sí campaign lẹ́ni wọ́n fẹ́ lọ ṣe selection wọ́n á sọ pé tí Tinubu bá ti wọlé ní primary so automatically Tinubu ló máa ṣe president ó tẹ̀ ṣe president àwọn ọ̀tá Yorùbá náà tẹ̀lé lọ bí àwọn Túndé Bákàrè bí àwọn kò tẹ́ máàlì kúkúrú yẹn náà lọ́rùn kò tẹ́ Ọ̀ṣínbàjò lọ́rùn yẹn kò tẹ́ Arẹ́gbẹ́ṣọlá lọ́rùn dọ́là kò tẹ́ Rotimi Amechi kò tẹ́ wọn lọ́rùn wọ́n pe Amechi wọlé wọ́n tàn báàlì fún ó dàbí ìgùnnù kó lọ́wọ́ àwọn Fúlàní láti lè lọ bá láti kó lọ bá Tinubu contest even 9 minutes Buhari ò fẹ́ gbélé then kò dẹ̀ tí wọ́n rántí pé the other one tó pariwo káàkiri yìí is a member of ISIS the report is with America that's El-Rufai and if they should come El-Rufai will be picked if the American venture come into this country today there will be no El-Rufai again with all the role they play in Kaduna. No, he was the one that masterminded all they did to the first Christian that ruled Kaduna was killed with the general. I think Okowa Yakowa. So he was killed. Then look at what happened in Kaduna Axis to the Christians and people in southern Kaduna. There are some courses which the Fulani has already high mark that anybody from southern Kaduna cannot study. Go and read it very well. Go and read it very well. Fulani, how we came, if American can come, we will now find out, if we are about to find out from Britain, you gave independence to these three tribes. Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba. How come Fulani? Then báwo ni màálù ṣe bí ajá? Ẹ̀yin yóò tẹ̀ find out yẹn rárá. Nínú state yẹn náà ń sìn. 12 states is being governed by Fulani. And they have all the Boko Haram people to kill the Christians. There was a time when they were fasting for 40 days. They said their children should not go to school. And they said Boko Haram. So do I give that query to Tinubu? When the president is there, let me tell you, Tinubu has never lost any election before. Tinubu has been created for this job. He's only dead. That he's not sleeping. Your refinery that is not working, it's working now. It's not working on the Ajakuta, which I think was sold. They sold the refinery to that lucky man, Yadua. He bought it back again. Do you know what David Mark did in Nigeria? Do you know what those people did in Nigeria? Can you compare these people with Pai Modu? Pai Modu has all the profile of the whole Nigeria. He refused to misbehave. He used one car for 30 years. One car for 30 years. Pai Modu, the union leader. Can you compare him with Oshiomole? Even he did all those things. Can you compare him with Papa, with the other man that died, the Minister for Agriculture, Audu Ogbe? These are great people. So, sir, tell those people, the law has never revealed anything to me about Tinubu that's bad. If you reveal, you know me. I cannot be settled. And I don't care. If I can attack Celestia, so who can I not attack? That's why they asked me to tell Celestia. He's still flying everything tomorrow, but they cannot answer the question. And it's true. If my father is a thief, I will warn my father inside the house. Then the next interview, I will let the whole world help me talk to my father that my father is a thief. That's me. When I was very young, they taught me how to lie. I refused. Till today, I refused, and I cannot lie. So that's the problem.
Ẹ̀kísọ́lá Adé, bàbá wa nínú Olúwa, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ takuntakun. Olúwa túbọ̀ sọ lọ́ra ẹ̀mí yín. Olúṣẹ́gun Kẹ́hìndé, well done sir. Adedeji Lamina.
No, you are using that to distract me. If you want to go and meet these people and meet them, I have a lot to do.
Yes, sir.
Now I am in Australia, writing the message of Australia for next year.
Okay.
Please. I need to write a book of 300 pages.
Okay, iṣẹ́ takuntakun ṣe ni baba.
Yes, sir.
Ẹ má bínú o. So.
Answer your question if you are done, and let me go.
Yeah.
bàbá tí a bá wò dáadáa a rí pé láti bí ìjẹta ìjẹrin gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ṣàn ságbàsúlà ní nàìjíríà látàrí ohun tí àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè amẹ́ríkà sùn bàbá eléyìí sáà they are coming to Nigeria ṣé òun gan ni way out ni.
Yes, sir.
How?
Reason why do you allow the Chinese to be in all your forests? Why do you allow? Ṣé ìwọ ló fún ṣé àwọn Chinese tó wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí àti France tó ń túgbó yín kiri tó ń pa ìyá yín tó ń pa bàbá yín Kwara ṣé ìwọ ló fún wọn láyè? So ẹni tó lòun ń bọ̀ àtẹni tó wá látẹ̀yìn tá ló burú jù. Níbi tí àwọn Chinese ti yá owó lé àwọn ọlọ́pàá yín lọ́wọ́ tí wọ́n bá wọn gbé rọ́gò dé airport. Níbi tí Chinese ti ń gbé ètò ti change náírà sí dọ́là tó ń gbé cross ní Kano airport. So sir, ẹ ti láì káriwo jù. Eléyìí tó yẹ kí tẹ́gbọ́n mi invite mi ẹ bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ yìí sí. Donald Trump ló yẹ kẹ́ pé. Kẹwàá bèrè ọjọ́ tó fẹ́ dé àti bó ṣe fẹ́ rìn. Nọ́mbà bí bàbá yín dá. Awuyewuye lásán ariwo lẹ́kàn pa. Kí wọ́n kó dàbí ẹni tó fẹ́ wá kọrin ní báàdì dáàdì ẹ̀. Wọ́n fi tírélà mẹ́jọ kó instrument wa. Gbogbo ẹ̀ speaker. Kí ló ń fẹ́ wá ṣe? Wọ́n fẹ́ wá pariwo ládùúgbò. Ariwo kọ́dẹ̀ ní music. Ẹ ti report tẹ́lẹ̀. Ìgbòho report. Àwọn Ìgbò report. Pé wọ́n pa Christian. Dáàdì náà ṣe láàyè fún wa. Àwọn jòkó debate ẹni náà. Kì í ṣe ìmọ̀tí Donald Trump fẹ́ dáàdì kan wá ṣe. Yes.
ohun tí àwọn federal government sọ ni pé kì í ṣe kìrìsìtẹ́nì nìkan ni wọ́n bá ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ.
No, Christian ló pọ̀ jù.
pé mùsùlùmí.
No. It's a lie. This is what they did in Italy. Where is this place? There are a lot of Christians in. No. Outside Nigeria. Kí lorúkọ airline. I will remember. Ní Turkey. Ibi tí Christian yìí take all the whole place. Find out, go and Google. Ẹ má gbé jáde ẹ lọ wò. Ní Turkey, gbogbo area tí àwọn Christian cover. Àwọn Muslim àti ṣé bí àwọn Turkish wọ́n support Boko Haram Nigeria. Yeah. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ti cover. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ti parẹ́. O lè bá Christian níbẹ̀ mọ́. Ibẹ̀ ni Olúwa ti bínú. Kì í ṣe Donald Trump ló wá síbẹ̀. That's 4 years ago. There was an earthquake. Then some footballer died around the place. Go and Google it. Make it investigation journalism. Go to the internet and bring it up. Go to Syria. They've wiped out Christian out of Syria.
Daddy.
Not Atilade is a Christian. Arotile is a Christian. Arotile is a Christian. Don't ask me anything. I don't want to know what you are outside. Then Deborah is a Christian.
Sarah is a Christian.
Then those that went to go out, they were there to shut people down so that they cannot talk about this, the injustice that they are doing to people. They are doing all this to us. They want the Fulani to dominate Nigeria. We are talking about cow coloring in this jet age.
That's conquest.
What are you talking? Even before Tinubu came, they said one night they will all spring up and drive us into the river, into the beach. And even that was a time, mistake on the part of America. They came to Lagos. They refused to go to the palace of Lagos. They go to the palace of, that was the fault of the other regime, Biden. Those people that came then, they went to the Fulani palace in Lagos. Do you think Fulani has right to have a palace in Lagos? What are they trying to do? Go to Abattoir, go to everywhere. Can you check their truck when they are coming in? When we are in COVID, during the time of COVID, Dangote failed and refused to carry cement again. What is carrying every day is people from Futagadam. And even they open up. Gumi opened up that they said, all Fulani should be coming to Nigeria. And what are you talking again? Then Kanu went to America. The lodge complained, they are killing Christians. Igbo and Papa Kitoye, they traveled there again to do the lodge. You go and report. You have reported, this is the result. Then again, America cannot stand it again. The high rate of mineral resources, Chinese are removing out of this place. America has never received 1/4 of it. And then they have to come now. If they're going to share the whole state amongst them, they can't by themselves. Yes. Don't go and be selling it in kobo. About 2 weeks ago, China was threatening America. You are threatening America. And look at all the roads you are doing in Africa now. Where's the American companies there? Where is the federal government? Who is federal government? Who is federal government? Let me know who is federal. Is it the former, all the people that rule with Buhari before? Níbo ló ti papọ̀, the one fi kàn ẹni. Okay, o ti mú ti dé nsì. Tí wọ́n jíyàn gbé nínú street l'Abuja. Tí wọ́n gbéyàn nínú mall l'Abuja. Tí wọ́n gé orí Christian l'Abuja. Tí wọ́n wọnú oko Christian tó ń wú ẹ̀gẹ́. Tó ń fi bọ́ ẹran. Ṣe lọ́wọ́ lórí internet lákìlẹ̀ béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi fún.
Baba, we are now looking at it that.
Don't look at anything. Don't make me annoyed. You don't use sledgehammer. I came to you as a dentist, but when I saw the instrument to put on the table, I can run away. And when I saw jigger, I saw hammer, I saw axe, I saw saw. Automatically I will manage that one thing and jump the window and go, because this is a quack doctor. Maybe and he's a killer. So that's okay.
So are you not seeing it that the United States of America, Donald Trump, as president, is saying or seeing it that President Tinubu is too slow to action?
Yes, the answer is yes, he's too slow. Even the vice president has a story linked to the Boko Haram.
Wonderful.
The vice president. What are you talking? Don't distrust me. Please, please, please. Get your materials ready before you come here. And let this be the last warning. Please.
Sorry.
You brought the Holy Spirit down. I'm not talking from my brain. You are before a prophet.
Sorry, sir.
And if you want to go and interview for coalition, you can do anything there. We are both different. Or Bola Jake, or you want to interview Tinubu. When they were leaving Ogun State, do you know the number of rifles they got in the house of the last governor that left Ogun State, Amusu? What do they want to do with it? What made Buhari and Amusu fought? Find it out, find out. Then look at the other time. When the Niger Delta, when they didn't like it, what they are seeing. Do you remember Great Oburu? Do you know what made Oburu great?
Yeah.
Because the injustice is too much. That means the Fulani has the right to go to NDA and pack their ammunition as they like. Then now for the past 8 years, we're in trouble. We're under siege. What makes it so? You cannot get license for your gun. And then they've made a law, bring the gun back. And they are coming for you in the night. They have you defend yourself. If they said America should not come, they should legalize. They should pass the law quick and give everybody a gun. And because all the guns, the politicians left in the hand of the thugs. That one is there. The whole Lagos is filled up with guns.
But sir, America is coming to Nigeria.
China ti wá sir. Wọ́n ti wá gold lọ́ṣun. China ti wá, wọ́n ti wá gold ní Kwara. China ti wá, wọ́n ti wá gold, wọ́n ti ṣe Kwari ní Èkìtì. Ẹ̀sà kí ló dún kù?
So sir, with this sir, they are not coming for the Christians, but our mineral resources. What about that, sir?
They are coming for the Christians. Wọ́n nígbà tó bá wá yẹn lọ́lẹ̀ yìí tí wọ́n ṣe tí wọ́n fún láti fi wá. Tó bá gbẹ̀yàn sí pàtí ẹ̀, tẹ bá ti ṣe 2 hours ó ní fún olómi àti kóòkì. Ṣé Amẹ́ríkà ní láti débi láti gba mineral resources wá ní? Ṣé wọ́n ti débi àti ẹgbẹ́ iṣẹ́ fún Julius Berger? Ẹ̀ sanwó, ẹ̀ tún gba mineral resources. Báwo lẹ ṣe refine petrol yìí ní time Babangida? Báwo lẹ ṣe refine petrol yìí ní time Goodluck Jonathan? Báwo lẹ ṣe? Then èló ni báwo ni Dangote ṣe lágbára àti kọ́ kíni? Àwọn Muslim ló kóra pọ̀ o. Àwọn Muslim ló kóra pọ̀ sáà o. Muslim bank wà lóye o. Then gbogbo owó tó kọ́ sílé wọ̀nyí kọ́. Then báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ àwọn nìkan ló lè gbé ammunition dání? Tí wọ́n bá ti ní kí Amẹ́ríkà máa wà, ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n legalize even from secondary school.
Sir, another thing, sir. Based on people's thoughts.
Just bring your thought. Bring your thoughts.
Sí country tí Amẹ́ríkà ló dá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ní fi bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
Àjàlélẹ̀ yìí wọ́n fẹ́ wá ràn wá lọ́wọ́ ni níjà.
But Libya, Afghanistan.
No, àwọn yẹn ń jà. Two are fighting there. We are not fighting here. We are not fighting. Let your ear be cleared. You could be a target tomorrow. You could be a victim tomorrow. You will regret when you get to heaven. Don't worry.
So their coming is good, sir.
Ṣebí wọ́n ti káàkiri, ṣebí wọ́n iná ẹnu ẹ̀yìn náà ló ń sọ dúdú tó sọ gbígbẹ́ ló sọ páìpù tó sọ exhaust. Mo ní kẹ́ pé Donald Trump ṣe fẹ́ nọ́mbà ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ orí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ rí. Kẹ́ gbá ṣe ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ àgbàgbà mọ́ bá ní mímú lẹ̀. Ṣé ẹ̀rọ kọ́rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ṣé kò sún yín ni? Tíyàwó bá fẹ́ lọ sóko wọn gbọ́dọ̀ padà. ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀ tí ìbọn ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mo pariwo mo fẹ́ kú dànù ní last month lórí Kwara mo ń sunkún nínú yàrá lóru wọ́n gbókùn máa yẹn lẹ̀ wọ́n gbókùn ìyàwó ẹ̀ lẹ̀ wọ́n gbókùn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ lẹ̀ wọ́n gbókùn ọmọ ẹ̀ lẹ̀ kí ló dé kí ló dé bí ò bá jẹ́ Tinubu tó wá láti ju eléyìí lọ it could have been worse than this badly worse than this ṣé gbogbo àwọn tó wò láti lo òyìnbó yẹn etí mo ti kú gbogbo àwọn tó wà ń lo òyìnbó tó jẹ́ I give kudos to them kò sínú wọn tí ò ní high blood pressure palpitation ti pọ̀ àdómọ̀ kò tàbí fẹ́ gbọ́ àdómọ̀ kò tàbí fẹ́ gbọ́ láti lé ilé ò save ṣèbí Tinubu náà ṣèbí lè save díẹ̀díẹ̀ ṣèbí lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ṣiṣẹ́ nìkan kó $1 ọlọ́pàá dẹ̀ ń gáàdì ẹ̀ lọ́sẹ̀ port nítorí wàá mú wọn.
So with this sir in your words.
mo ti sọ fún ẹ o pẹ́ dé ní kò sí kan tí Ahmed fẹ́ ṣe ẹ̀ lè ti pa ó free àwọn èèyàn tó wà lẹ́wọ̀n ẹ ló free oní drug and everything ẹ jọ sá ẹ jẹ́ kó ṣe nǹkan tó ju ẹ̀ ká kí n ṣe wòlíì the only thing ni pé kó jọ bóyá kí second time kó pé àwa wòlíì ìjọ kan ní ọ́fíìsì yes kó máa bá a ṣe meeting ká lè máa fi ọ̀run wọn lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀kan nǹkan tí áńgẹ́lì bá sọ jọ nígbà tó bá ṣe jọ máa kúrò lẹ́wọ̀n wọ́n fi hàn mí tó time tó máa kúrò ẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ́ ṣe máa kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ sọ fún àwọn family ó dẹ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ kudos to him till today he respect prophet he waited until I got there before they opened the door then mo tún mú ìwé lọ bá pé your wife will die then Oyedepo's wife will sick then Oyedepo called me a prophet of doom at the end of the day that came to pass that's 2008 so when you look at all this you don't talk with the prophet if you don't make up you know you get to a prophet you cannot even have it within your mind that this is what he's going to say no it's what the Lord asked him to say then when you look at what happened Tinubu is not a dollar like Buhari he's not a fool like Buhari you brought Buhari there because of his past glory and you never knew it was the Yoruba man Idi Agbon from Kwara that did the whole thing. Can you compare Tinubu with the man who has society generate? Saraki? No, you cannot. Now look at what is going on, what the Lord showed to me yesterday. It was so it shocked me when I was praying, when I was doing the writing the book yesterday. The Lord revealed to me that in Lagos State, I'm sat. May likely the Lord revealed that he's going to hold a very big portfolio next year. That's Absalom. I'm sat.
Deputy
Governor is an instrument. Then again, the Lord revealed again in Kaduna that something great will happen in Kaduna. Southern Kaduna.
Positive, sir.
So something positive will happen. Then he's telling me that Bola Oyebanji Mumuni will be the governor of Osun State. He will beat Omishori hands down. Sir, write it there and wait for me to put neck on my neck. Don't ask me a question. When I was writing the prediction, that's what the Lord revealed.
The prophet has spoken.
APC will emerge, but not Omishori.
You can go and consult your herbalists and everything. Look at where Atabe went with Olabayo, Adebayo or something like that. You know that guy is a fake person. I pity my son Asabi. He's still my son till tomorrow. Yes, I won't want him to die. He followed a shortcut because of one car. Because of one car. Somebody who's supposed to have traveled all over the whole world. Who is that person? He can't get to embassy. Now look at Shedu with another person's wife. Or let him 1,800,000. Offer go to church. Let him look at it. Shot away. Or more way to Fiji or motor way to fit already. Let him be shot. Don't be more to slow and steady we get there. Let's come back to what we're saying. Cherry, Lagos State might take shape. I'm but they open our house. But it's not coming to Lagos. Yuri. Money kò sí ńbẹ̀. Ẹni tí mo rí ńbẹ̀.
Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ ẹ wo a ò ní rí jù báyìí lọ. Ó bá tún ṣe ń lọ báyìí. A máa bù yín gbọ́ lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan. Ó dàbọ̀.